I'm in a 2005 Honda NSX. Next to me is a 2017 Honda Civic Type R. I've got a 3.2 litre V6 with VTEC and 280 horsepower. He's got a 2 litre turbo with a reverse VTEC thing and 320 horsepower. He's front wheel drive, I'm rear wheel drive. We're going to have a drag race. Good traction, rear wheel drive, better than front off the line. It's close though, I can hold onto my revs all the way to 8,000 RPM. He's coming back at me now! Come on NSX! I can hold on, I think, because of all those revs. Whoa, that was close. Rear drive traction versus front wheel drive traction, and the fact I can rev out to 8,000, I could just see the difference because I could hold onto those lower gears for longer, so more torque at the wheels for longer. That's what did it.
So let's see what happened. The NSX did the standing quarter mile in 13.5 seconds, while the Civic Type R took 13.6 seconds. That's not too bad considering the current Type R costs from £31,500, though you can save about £1,000 on one by clicking on the pop-out banner to go to carwow.com. The NSX, meanwhile, was £60,000 back in the day, though this one is worth about £100,000 now. But how will it fare in my next challenge?
Right, now we're going to have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour in third gear. He's got 400 newton meters of torque, which comes in at around 2,500 RPM. I've got about 298 newton meters, but that's going to be pretty high up in the VTEC zone, and at this speed I'm not in VTEC, but let's see what happens anyway. Right in, 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, this picks up quicker because there's no lag, but then is off, but not by much. I think it's pretty obvious what happened there. I picked up really quick and it was close, but he's on boost like that, and yeah, it didn't do too bad from 4,000 RPM. Wasn't fully in VTEC, but yeah, it was good. Nice result. Final challenge then, we're going to have a braking test from 70 miles an hour. When we hit the cone, full emergency stop. See which car stops in the shortest distance. Come on, old car. Come on, old car. Oh, look at the smoke coming off his tyres. But let me just have a look. Yeah. I think he just broke in a slightly shorter distance. Not bad for an old car though, really quite impressive. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and share it, and click on our logo below to subscribe to our channel. Down there to watch another video, and across there if you want to refer a friend to CarWow. If you do that and they buy a car through us, you will get a £50 Amazon voucher and they can save an average of £3,600 on a new car.